How to make money online as an affiliate with LeadsLeap in 2021. In this short video, I'm going to show you my best 3 ways to make money online with this awesome website called LeadsLeap. I will keep my favorite one to the end, so stay tuned. What's up my friends, Amar here, and before I jump into the details of this video, let me kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It helps a lot with the algorithm. Alright, so this is one of my favorite websites when it comes to making money online. It is an all-in-one solution, and when you log into your account, this bar here at the left hand side is rich with free tools that you can use for your affiliate marketing projects. In this short video, I will only concentrate on my best 3 ways to make money online with LeadsLeap, and I will start with the least important to the most important method. There will be some tools and resources in the description of this video, also a share code, so feel free to check them out. And if you have any questions about these methods here, please drop me a comment below this video as well. So the first method I'm going to talk about is also the least paying one, and it is called Ppc Earnings. So Ppc stands for pay-per-click, and this is actually when you take a code here, a widget code from LeadsLeap, and put it on your website or your websites, and then every time someone clicks on those ads, you make money. As you can see here, there is $3.19 on my account, and to be honest with you, I don't use this method because it doesn't pay a lot unless you have high traffic websites. There are 2 ways to take the code and put it somewhere where you can drive traffic. The first one being WordPress, and I'm going to show you exactly how I grab the widget code from here and then take it to my website. So this is the place where I get the code, and this is the website I'm going to display that set of ads, and I will put it on the sidebar here on the top so it will be easy to find and click on. So I'm going to format that ad to be 320 pixels wide to fit this space here. So I go back to LeadsLeap and then I click on this option here saying fix width, and I will put here 320 pixels. So I want how many ads you want on this widget. I want, for example, just 4 of them, and it will be exactly like this. You can hide the header here, so the header is gone. You can hide your affiliate link here at the bottom, but it's not a good idea. You want actually to keep your affiliate link, so just in case someone clicks here and registers a LeadsLeap a new account, you will get paid if they upgrade to Pro, of course. Now let's say that I'm okay with this widget here. I'm going to click on get code here, and this is exactly the code that I need to take and put on my WordPress website. So I'm just going to copy it and then go back to my WordPress dashboard, and as you can see here, I am on the appearance section, and this is my primary sidebar. I want to bring a text widget here. I'm going to find it, text widget, take it and put it at the very top of my sidebar. Next step will be clicking on this text here and then pasting the code I got from LeadsLeap and then save. So I'm going to when you click on visual, you will see only these symbols here, but if you go and refresh the page of your website, and by the way, this sidebar shows on all the pages. So here is what I got. So here is the widget. Anytime someone visits my pages and clicks on these ads here, I get paid from LeadsLeap. And if someone clicks on this link here and registers, he will be my affiliate, my referral on LeadsLeap, and if they upgrade, I can make money. Now, another way to advertise your PPC widget is by creating landing pages. So if in your business you are using landing pages, you can of course create free landing pages on LeadsLeap, and I just created one here called the test. I can click anytime on this button here to add a new campaign and create a landing page. But this is what I wanted to show you. If I click on the editor to customize my landing page and then click on template here, you can see this template here that it has already a widget. So if I click on it, here is exactly what I see. So if in your marketing needs you need to create like beautiful landing pages just like this one, and also advertise your PPC widget, you can do it here. Now, the second way or second important way to make money online with LeadsLeap is actually affiliate commissions. And if you go to this section here saying money, you will see it on number 4. Let's click on it and you will see that I already have a few commissions here, and I already withdraw some commissions from this website. And actually this is a recurring commissions, recurring income if you refer others to LeadsLeap. So when you are a free member on LeadsLeap and then you refer someone that upgrades to Pro, you will get 25% commission. That's 25% of $27. That's the monthly price. And if you are a Pro member, you will get 50% of that. So let's say you are a Pro member and then you refer 2 people that are Pro members, that become Pro members. Your monthly payment is covered by those 2, and then the more Pro members you have, the more money you make. And in order for you to do that, you go to affiliate here and then click on affiliate links and tools, and you will find the promotion tools that are available for you to use to promote LeadsLeap services. So you have these sections here: my affiliate links, how to promote, swipe emails, and banners. You can do this by targeting the traffic exchange websites and all the other channels where you can promote LeadsLeap. Now, before we get to the third and the most important way to make money online with LeadsLeap, please do me a huge favor by pressing the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And please check the resources in the description of this video, and if you have any comment or question, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be back as soon as possible to answer your questions. The third and most lucrative way to make money online with LeadsLeap is actually affiliate marketing and email marketing. I mean, creating your own affiliate marketing funnels inside of LeadsLeap. So as a free member, you are able to create an email list for free and broadcast to them anytime you want. And this is your own email list. It's not a shared email list or something. You can also create squeeze pages, landing pages, bridge pages, thank you pages, and connect everything together to make affiliate funnels just like this one here. And actually I have multiple videos on this channel explaining exactly how to create these kind of things here in order for you to be able to make commissions on the back end, and especially on the thank you page. And by the way, here is a thank you page that is free to use, that you can import instantly to your LeadsLeap account because I give you the share code. And on this specific thank you page, there is a training to offer. This training is about how to install, how to create or set up an affiliate funnel using LeadsLeap completely for free. So I made some videos here, and also I have the share code here, so you can import this page 100% free instantly to your LeadsLeap account, and I will show you exactly how to import it in this video here. Now, where is the money coming from? So when you create your free funnel, as I show you here on this tutorial, you will be able actually to build your own email list on LeadsLeap and also put your affiliate links here on the green buttons where you can get affiliates for LeadsLeap, but also other opportunities that people might be interested in. And every time someone clicks on these green buttons and purchases something, you make money. As an example, this is Legendary Marketer, which is a high-ticket affiliate program, and when you put your affiliate link here and then you advertise your funnel, if one of your subscribers clicks here and likes the program and joins and pays, you make commission. Now, I included also on this thank you page some promotion tools that you can, of course, use to advertise your own funnel after setting it up, of course. And there are some, there is an email swipe to send out, and there are a few things to download that will help you set up your funnel, and there are some bonus videos. So as you can see, this thank you page is 100% done for you. All you have to do is import it to your LeadsLeap account after you register a free one. I show you how to create the squeeze page or the landing page on Google Sites, and after that all you have to do is use the promotion tools here and advertise your own funnel to build your own list, make your own commissions. It will be 100% yours. So these were the three my three favorite ways to make money online with LeadsLeap. I'm waiting for your questions on the comment section. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching the video, and I will see you on the next one.